Hello dear students, this is Dr. Vishali Jain, your English teacher. So today we are going to focus on chapter 2 entitled The Address, which is written by a well-known and great author named Margot Minko, who was basically a Jew, and this chapter is prescribed in your 11th class book Snapshots. So my dear students, already we have discussed its summary in detail and it's time to focus on some of the questions. So see, there may be some questions like who has written the story The Address? So answer is Margot Minko. And what is the native place of the narrator? So its answer is Holland. Next, what is the name of a lady? So its answer is Mrs. Darling. Mrs. Darling is the lady whose address has been presented here. Now, what is the address? Means जो address था home का जो location था वो क्या था? So it is house number 43 Marconi Street. This is somehow very important. Next is what is girl's mother's name? So here girls means Margot Minko जो हमारी ऑथर या नैरेटर है उनकी मदर को मिसेस एस करके यहाँ पे एड्रेस किया है, उनका कोई स्पेसिफिक नेम नहीं दिया है. नाउ वेयर वाज द गर्ल्स possessions? So the girls possessions were in the home of Mrs. Darling. Now who had given the girls things to Mrs. Darling? So answer is her mother. जो उनकी मदर मिसेस एस थी उन्होंने उनको ये सामान दिया था. Now when did the girl's mother give these things to Mrs. Darling? So answer is during the first half of the war. Means जब वार शुरू हुआ था तो स्टार्टिंग टाइम में दिया था. Just to have it safe, just to keep it safe कि बाद में जब अगर हम survive कर जाते हैं so we will take these things back. Next, was the girl at the right address? So answer is yes. The girl was at the right address. Next, did Mrs. Darling recognize her or let her enter her house? So answer is no. Actually Mrs. Darling ने उसको recognize तो कर लिया था but उन्होंने उसको घर के अंदर नहीं आने दिया था. Next, who was there at the house when the narrator visited the house second time? So answer is 15 years old girl of Mrs. Darling. और अब इस लड़की ने इस बच्ची ने मार्गो मिंको को घर में आने दिया था because at that time Mrs. Darling was not at the place, that's why. Next is how did the narrator recognize Mrs. Darling? So with the help of the green knitted cardigan or sweater which Mrs. Darling was wearing at that time. Next is where was the burn mark? So that is on the tablecloth. So my dear students, let me clear this incident कि क्या हुआ था जब मिसेस डॉर्लिंग घर पर नहीं थी और उनके 15 ईयर ओल्ड घर पे थी डॉटर और उसने सेकंड विजिट के टाइम पर मार्गो मिंको को घर में आने दिया. तो व्हाट हैपेंड कि मार्गो मिंको देखती है कि जो टेबल क्लॉथ है वो वहां से एक कॉर्नर पे से जला हुआ था. मे बी कि वो आयरन मार्क से जल गया है और या व्हाटसोएवर. सो इन चीजों को देखकर और सिल्वर स्पून को देखकर कटलरी सेट को देखकर और मार्गो मिंको को फील आता है कि नो नाउ दीज थिंग्स डोंट हैव दैट इमोशन कि जब वो और उनकी मम्मा उसको अच्छे से रखते थे नाउ देयर दैट फील और अफेक्शन इज नॉट देयर बिकॉज मिसेस डॉर्लिंग और उनके बेटी इन चीजों को अच्छे से नहीं रखते हैं. दे आर टेकिंग दीज थिंग्स जस्ट फॉर ग्रांटेड क्योंकि ये अपनी कमाई से उन्होंने नहीं खरीदी है. नेक्स्ट इज the girl was preparing dash when the narrator came for the second time in the home. So answer is tea. उस टाइम जो उनकी 15 year old girl थी वो उस समय चाय बना रही थी and she even offered this tea to the narrator also. Now what metal did the spoon make of? So answer is silver. कि वो जो कटलरी थी जो स्पून थी वो सिल्वर की थी. And what was easier for the narrator to forget? So answer is the address. So my dear students, लास्ट में हम देखते हैं कि द नैरेटर जो हमारी नैरेटर है मार्गो मिंको शी इज टू मच पिस्ड ऑफ. वो इतनी ज्यादा अपसेट हो जाती हैं उन चीजों को रफ एंड टफ तरीके से रखा हुआ देखकर कि नाउ शी डजंट वांट दोस थिंग्स बैक एंड शी इवन वांट्स टू फॉरगेट दीज थिंग्स एंड शी इवन वांट्स टू फॉरगेट दिस एड्रेस आल्सो. नाउ let's see some more questions. Where and when does the story take place? So its answer is the story takes place in Holland after the war. Means इसमें जो post war effects होते हैं, war के जो consequences होते हैं, they have been described. Now who lived at number 46 Marconi Street? So answer is Mrs. Dorling lived. Means कोई भी question हमें twist करके भी आ सकता है. So my dear students, I hope this is clear to all of you. If you still have some doubt, you may go through the video once more just to clear your doubts. And you are also supposed to answer some of the questions here in the comment section, just to have an idea that how much do you know about the chapter. And until the next video, keep learning and be safe. Thank you.